वह कहाँ है?
So, a very good morning to all. This is Group A6 for GD topic. Our GD topic is ethics and profit. So, basically, what is ethics? Ethics is a moral value or a character of an individual or any particular sources. It plays a major role in one particular life or any sort of beliefs which you want to represent. And profit is a financial word which indicates the amount of volume which you want to get. Like an organization is always meant for a profit, and they truly believes on a profit. So today we are conducting a GD. We are A6 member, so we are just starting.
Morning, all of you. Myself, Anita Das, and we all are here to talking about or discuss about the topic ethics or profit. So, from my point of view, according to me, from a business perspective, ethics are the rules which a business follows to earn profit. And ethics and profit works together for the long run. For when a business is growing for long run, it must that company is following the ethics. For example, if employees are motivated, then company is more valued. Suppliers are paying on time, then company will generate better cash flows. The products are offered to the customers with the high quality, then company will earn the profit at the competitive prices. As we all know that operating ethically is more expensive, as we can set high prices or premium prices for ethical products. It is all not possible for any customers to pay high prices for the ethical products. Thank you.
So, hello, this is Yash. Adding to your point, Anita, I can say that based on the definition that you gave on ethics and profit, I can relate two theories. One is that the company is mainly focusing on one of the aspects, whether it be a profit-making company or it is a ethical. Or the second theory is that both ethics or profit goes hand in hand, and if the company is mainly focusing on profits, it it does not mean that it is totally ethical. It can surpass some boundaries of ethical behavior while making profit, because as you all know that for every organization it is very important to make profits, because the company is liable to pay its creditors, its shareholders, its employees. And on the other hand, if the company is mainly focusing on ethical behavior, then it may happen that the company is losing its profits while its competitor, on the other hand, uh, making more profits than the company. And in the long run, that the current company was mainly focusing on ethical behavior may go out of business. So, uh, what we can infer is that both ethics or profit should go hand in hand, but it should not increase, it should not surpass the ethical behavior lines as to pay legal repercussions.
Okay, so
Hello,
hello all.
everyone.
I am Aditya. So what I would like to state about the ethics in an organization is like it's a sign of a successful company, and it makes a balance between and we have to make a balance between the ethics and profit simultaneously in the organization. And a company cannot run without the cooperation of its employees and surrounding peoples. So to gain a good cooperation between the employees and business, the company need to makes its main focus on the ethics. Whereas I also think that the balance between ethics and profit is being required for long time sustainability in an organization, because without any profit, the expenses which the organization is have been in front of them is not being made. And as we see that much of the successful companies Tata Corporation and all, these companies basically always try to make a balance between the ethical behavior and the profitable behavior of the organization. That's from my side.
Hello, everyone. My name is Aman Agarwal. So the business needs to be remain ethical for its own good. Unethical actions can give a good result in a short run, but in a long run, it may bring big penalties on the company and destroy the brand name. However, for a sustainable business and profitability of the firm, business is required to conduct itself ethically and to run the activities on the ethical lines. Time and again, it has been proven that the ethical organization have continued to survive, grow, and become profitable, whereas the unethicals have a problem of growing quickly and even more quickly dying and forgotten.
Yeah,
Thank you.
I agree with Aman. My name is Alok. If we are taking an example of Satyam Computer, the co-director of that company, Ramalingam Raju, what he did, he take a loan from a bank to clear off all the debts, what all the Satyam Computers incurred. But he generally he manipulates that loan amount in Meta's infrastructure. So he is false claiming their shareholders too that company is a profitable way, but he is just clearing the debt. It's not any kind of any sort of infrastructure business. But then also their auditors, like Cooper auditors, were the main who just seeing the finances of that company. So he played a unethical behavior just because of he want to get a amount of profit, but unethically he false claiming that company is unprofitable because it's in a debt. So we can see that unethically playing of role can lead to the destructions of your organizations and your reputation. So if you play with an ethical way to get a profit, you can survive in a long run too, as just someone said. So it's a very important to get a balance between these two parameters.
Hello everyone, my name is Achal. As said by Alok, I also agree that ethics and profits go hand in hand. Profits are important, but ethics should be our priority. Work done following ethics will definitely lead to higher profits in long run. Every company has given ethics a prominent and most important place in the company's policies as well. Without ethics, no company can perform to its full potential and should maintain its ethical values for its own good. As we talk about Tata Company, everyone knows how Tata Company works, and it can be called as an ethical company because it has grown to this level because of ethics only. So, ethics should be our priority. Thank you.
I
Hello.
am totally agree with all my.
I would like to say that company need to find a balance between ethics and profitability. If a company is only following the ethics, maybe not exist for a longer time. It needs to find a balance between ethics and profit. If a company is following ethics and it is not giving.
Sorry for disturbing you, Aman. If you could please you remove your mic because it's not clear a voice.
Is it okay?
Yes, your earphone is not giving a clear voice. Could you please remove your earphone? You can use normal desktop. Okay, Aman.
Yeah, I was saying that company needs to find a balance between ethics and profit. It will benefit them in the long run. So if a company is focusing on profit, it may not successful run at the same time. And if a company is not making a profit, then it is not ethical for them. It is doing injustice for their employees and for the entire economy. So company needs to find the balance between ethics and profit.
I also agree with all of you. I'm Ankit Kumar, and most of you have pointed the same that the company has to maintain a balance between the ethics and the profit it has to make. Actually the primary focus of the company is to earn profit itself, because as Aman said, it is unethical for a company to profitable also in one sense. But yeah, in the long run it has to uh, pay attention for the ethics, and in the long run obviously the company will be benefited. For example, what we have seen, Anchal mentioned the Tata group. What There are much successful other companies also like Tata. Even a report according to UK's Institute of Business Ethics claims that the company based on the ethical values survived for a longer time and creates a big brand name in the society compared to the other companies who are uh, uh, focusing primarily on the profits in the short term. So that's all from my side.
My name is Abhay. So ethics versus profit is something like in a traditional mean that they cannot go together, but in not nowadays it can be. So if we talk about the ethics side, no company follow the 100% ethics because they have to earn the profit, and somehow they have to earn more profit. They do some types of ethical practices. Like we can take the examples of the Indian fairness schemes. They do the unethical types of things to generate more and more profit. And there is also a norm in the Indian business standards and in the chartered accounting terms that every company who is earning more than limit of the profit, they have to contribute to the social welfare society to do some types of CI activities. So in terms of that, ethics is a way to earn more profit in nowadays, because ethics is something like nowadays becomes a show off for the companies who that they are doing some types of social activities to generate the attention of the companies. Like Reliance is used to do that in during the IPL matches. They used to provide the tickets to the 11,000 uh, students also, so they can see the match. So these type of activities are correlated with each other. So if you are ethical, I'm totally agree with the Aman that if you follow the ethical practices, then you may generate a profit for a long term of time. But if you do not follow the ethical practices, then you may generate a profit, but for a short period of time. That's from my side.
Taking the discussion to the new direction, I could say that there are what I can state what kind of activities can come under the ethical behavior, like giving two examples. First, it is ethical for an employee who is working at a retail store to give a single bill for all the purchases that a customer has done, and while taking it unethically, he gives a separate bill or two bills or three bills for a single purchase. That leads to a more conversion ratio for the store. And the second example is that during a courtroom, a lawyer or a lawyer conducts into some unethical behavior just to prove his point or just to prove a person that he is guilty, not guilty. So, what kind of activities can come under the unethical behavior? Let's have a discussion about that.
I think that's not
And
a fair.
Abhay said that the game of any business depends upon three kinds of people: that successful, temporarily successful, and remain successful. The characters depicts from the different. The difference is their character depicts from the ethics only.
Well, I also believe that the unethical practices in the workplace can cause widespread unrest with the employees, causing dissatisfaction among them and relatively decreasing their potential,
I think the
which may decrease the profit in the long run for the company.
I think the first foremost is the trust what we breaks by showing the unethical practice. Like just what you have said, giving of three bills, it's an unfair practice because if a person is visiting or a kind of sort of things unethical, a particular organization or a small sector company is doing with the employees or an customer, it's an unfair practice and you break your trust with that. So, for having that good particular or a plural way, you should have that trust in an ethical way so that it will create a bond for your longer existence, not for a shorter period of time. We can say we can make out of profit from a hell of a tossing of coin. But here we just in today's era we want to exist. We don't want to come and go. We don't want an entry and exit. We want an existence. So we can come up on that also.
So I want to just quote one example that during in 2017 that Maggie has been banned for 6 months. Like they have a lead content of more than a required percentage. So they have been banned for 6 months. But when they relaunch their product in the market, then they have got the biggest sale all over their existing period. They have got the biggest sale. So let me tell you that it's all about the trust. It's all about the advertisement. It's all about the how you pitch your customers. It's all about that how you can manipulate your customers. So they have come with the example. They have come with the advertisement that हर माँ कैसे गलत हो सकती है. So they are pinching the sentiments of the peoples also. So this is also that how the advertisement is also mean of manipulation the customers, as well as they are also following the some type of ethical practice during that days.
So now we are coming ahead to the conclusion. I request all members to give a one-line conclusion so that we should end our meeting.
Okay. So what I would say about the discussion which we have done. So what a company should need to maintain a balance between the ethical values for its own benefit and good kind. Keeping a balance between ethic and profit gives a company sustainable growth. Without profit making decision, it's hard to survive and pay the expenses which organization will incur, like salaries to the employees. This is the reason why we cannot ignore the profit policy in the organization, and ethics is also important. And all the people says that for the long term sustainability and trust gaining, ethics is very important part of getting that balance between the profit and the ethics. That's all from my side.
Next
Hello?
member, please.
Yes.
Yes, I would like to conclude by saying that it is okay for a business to cross some lines related to ethical behavior while it is making profit. Like my other group members also said that it is very important for a business to sustain in the market by paying back to its creditors and employees. But on this same hand, if the business want to sustain in the long run, it should become under the ethical behavior, like I'm forgetting the word. It should come under the ethical behavior, but at some point it also should focus on its competitors, what kind of behavior that they are showing, and the same way to plan their activities in such a way that it is making a profitable business while behaving ethically.
I would conclude by saying that the company needs to maintain a balance between ethics and profit. Ethics would help the company to maintain the relationship with the customer and the employees, and the profit would give it the revenue to run the company for the longer term.
Yes, definitely. In my conclusion, what we have discussed is maintaining a balance between the ethics and profit always gives a company a stronger foundation for the business and in the long run, and it continues, and for the sustained existence also it benefited. For the company, it benefits in the sustainable growth. So in one sentence, if I have to say, the company should not, any company should not earn profit at the expense of the ethics. That's all.
I would like to say that apart from making balance between profit and ethics, consumers should also become aware of their practices so that they can take a prudent decision about the company based on their marketing and advertisement. Thank you.
From my point of view, from my side, for the long run, it is important for a business being ethical and customer will trust on the company. It is not that the company dishonesty with the customers, and it might be give you a short term benefit, but in long term the company get fails. Thank you.
My conclusion is basically in a favor of the ethical and a profit business, because what I believe, if you are ethical in your businesses, you are ethical in your financials too. If your financials are ethical, you will create a market reputation that this soever company is clear in their financials to give the dividend to the shareholders. So being a healthy in the financials too can create a reputation in the market and move towards your more ethical businesses. And it will create a way more opportunities that investors will come and lend money in your company, so that you can get an extra advantage or an edges to capture the market. So ethically you can get whatsoever, but unethically you can just create a profit, not a market repo. So this will be all from our GD group. So thanking you all members to have a good contribution, and it's a wonderful journey what we are deriving and gaining lot day by day, making a strong legs in front of GD. So thanking you. This is a wonderful time what we are experiencing, and hope so we will get soon what we want to have in our lives. So okay
Yeah.
guys,
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you.
thank you.
Thank you.